Today we're going to look at how to multiply and divide decimal numbers by 1000. So let's start by multiplying by 1000 first. So my number is 129.32 multiplied by 1000. We know that when multiplying by 1000, we're going to move all our numbers 3 places to the left. I'm going to use my place value headings to help me. So I'm going to put them above my numbers so it helps me to move my numbers along. So I've put my 1 under the hundreds, my 2 under the tens, my 9 under the ones, my 3 under the tens, and my 2 under the hundreds. I know that I'm going to need a few more, so I'm going to put my thousands on, my tens of thousands, and my hundred thousands. So remember, we're moving 3 places to the left. So I'm going to start with my 2, which is under the hundreds column, and I'm going to move that 3 places along, which goes under the tens column. I'm then going to move my 3 places along, which goes under the hundreds column. I'm then going to move my 9 3 places along, that goes under the thousands column. I'm going to move my 2 that's in the tens column, 3 places along to the tens of thousands column. And last of all, I'm going to move my 1 that's in the hundreds column, 3 places along to the hundred thousands column. I'm also going to add a 0 into the ones column as a placeholder. So our answer to 129.32 multiplied by 1000 is 129,320. Let's now try dividing by 1000. So again, we're going to use our place values to help us. Our calculation is 432.7. So I'm going to put my headings in again. I'm going to put my hundreds in, my tens, my ones, put my decimal in. I'm going to put my tenths, my hundreds, my thousands, and my hundred of thousands in. Because I know I'm going to move, this time, my numbers 3 places to the right when dividing by 1000. So let's start with the 4 that's under the hundreds column and move that 3 places along to the right. So that will go under the tens column. Our 3 that is under the tens column, we're going to move 3 places along and we'll go under the hundredths column. I'm going to move our 2 3 places along, which will go under the thousands column. I'm going to move our 7 along 3 places, which will go under the hundreds column. I'm going to put our decimal in and I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder in the ones column. So our answer to 432.7 divided by 1000 is 0.4327. So remember, when we're multiplying by 1000, we're moving 3 places to the left. When we're dividing by 1000, we're moving 3 places to the right.